I originally hired Quan Multimedia because I was having a challenge getting my message across via email and the website. Carl came in, took the time to understand my business, asked very good questions, and crafted an excellent video that got my message across that I couldn't have done through other mediums. Probably every week or two, someone will approach me and tell me they had watched either the introduction video that Carl made for me or one of the many other ones. Their feedback is they get an idea of my approach and what it will be like to work with me before they even come to see me. These messages couldn't be done through just looking at a picture on a web page. People will actually say to me they chose to work with me because they saw a video. Since I've had these videos made and released them on my webpage, my conversions have gone way up. People come into me as, shall we say, warm leads, and they're much more willing to work with me. I save a lot of time by working only with people who are my ideal clients and who want to work with me personally. I'm very happy I had these videos made. They've been a really, really good long-term investment. When you work with Carl of Quan Multimedia, you're working with a true expert. Carl is an amazing listener, a real professional, and will learn your business possibly better than you do.